Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Boss Babe for those who are new here, and for my returning gang, you all are very much welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to come up with this look. That's it. That's what's up. Let's go into it. And for beginners, my eyes is blurry, so I hope my video is okay when I finish with this makeup because I can't remove these contacts. I think my contacts are blurry. I don't know why, but it's not that very clear. I'll check on them later. I think I didn't soak them well in my solution. But anyway, guys, for beginners, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm going to apply this foundation. I'm using the number 356. Okay, yeah. So let's just get into it, and we're going to spray our face first. Then spray your brush too, the brush that you're going to use.
And that's it, guys. So using a small fluffy brush, just apply your foundation on your face in any manner that you want. Just apply your foundation, and then later on we're going to spray on it and then tap it in using the foundation brush. Oops, I just realized that I had some spots on my face that were kind of seen all through the foundation. So for such cases, if you have a foundation cream or a concealer, a color corrector concealer, you can just apply on your spots and just tap it in with your brush and then go in with your foundation later. Okay, so that's another tip for hiding your spots. Later on, we're going in with our eyebrows, and I'm using a brow soap to fill in my brows, and using a scoop. I don't know the name of this brush. It always goes away from my head. But anyway, we're just using a soap. You can use a bar soap. Your bar soap when you want to your home, you can use it and just apply it on your brows so that your brows are pinned down to your skin. They're not coming out later on. Okay, so you can use a brow soap, any type of soap, so long as it's a soap. Okay, but use a bar soap, and I'm using a brow soap if you can buy it. And later on, we're going in with the eyebrow cream. It's an eyebrow cream. No, it's an eyebrow gel. Yeah. Later on, we're going in with the eyebrow gel, and then later we are going in with a concealer brighter than our skin. So we're starting from the middle of our eyebrows, going to the outer corner of the eyebrows. So when you're drawing your eyebrows, start from the middle of your eyebrows to the outer corner of the eyebrows, so that to just get that shape. Okay, and the remaining concealer on the brush is what you use to finish up with your inner corner of the eyebrow, if you're okay with that. I had applied the entire concealer on my face, and now I'm just using a sponge to tap it in. It's a wet sponge. Yeah, so just tap it in until it's settled on your face, and then later on we're going in with our eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow I was using, it was looking like my skin, so you're not being able to see, but if in real life you can see me, it was seeable, but on camera it was not able to. Actually, it was just like my skin. Okay, so if you don't see anything, don't feel like I'm not doing something. I'm doing something, honey. It's there. Okay, yeah. So now we're going in with our crease, and I didn't show you how to draw my crease because I'm still not perfect at it. I'm still perfecting it. Okay, so when I'm good at it, I will come back and show you guys.
Forgive my phone, sorry. Forgive my phone. I put another cover, and it's not as close. It has covered my camera, so you just have to persevere. But you're doing well. Okay, so I'm just going in with my concealer. I've applied my dark concealer, and then I'm going in with my light concealer right now. So this is what you're going to do. Okay, just going to talk. I'm going to do a voice over because I want to stop talking and concentrate on what I'm doing.
The concealer I'm using is from Maybelline. It's an eraser. It's an old something to do with erasing. Yeah, but that's the type of concealer I use for my face. Okay, it's not, it's a full coverage, but still an eraser. So this is how I conceal my face to just get that shape, you know, the shape. If you're into makeup, you've come to realize that makeup, the way you apply your products, it's how they will come in. In fact, your blending game, if your blending game is poor, that's how your makeup will come out. But if your blending game is correct, really, if your blending game is correct, guys, you're just going to come up with a perfect look. Okay, so ensure that your blending game and how you apply your product is correct to your face, so that you come up with a shape that you want for your face. Okay, and for the concealer, before I used to go up to the end of my, you know, the beginning of my hairline, but nowadays I realize that I'm doing it wrongly. So I just go to, you see what I was doing? Yeah, now that's very wrong. I wanted to show you that, but later on I'm going to rub it off. Okay, so always let your concealer stick at the end of your eyebrow, at the end of your eyebrow and the end of the eyeliner where you're going to draw your eyeliner. So always ensure your concealer ends there. Don't overspread it to the end, to the beginning of your hairline. It's not, I mean, it's not correct, but I don't know about you, but you can do it if you want. Okay, so let's just tap in our concealer and then we'll be back. Now we're doing a blush, and this blush I stole it from my boss. Actually, yeah, I've stole it from my boss because she's not using it. Why is it doing there, and what is it doing there, and I can use it? So I didn't get it from any, so I don't know where she got it, but I stole it. Okay, but don't go and steal. You buy yours. So let it set, and then later on we're going to tap, guys, tap until you feel like your products have settled on your skin and your makeup is good. Okay, usitoke nje unakaa kama makolokotio. I don't know what I'm saying, but anyway, just tap your products. Okay, time to contour our nose, and I use a flat brush to do that because I don't want to do the big contour. I don't know if you guys have seen the types of how you can contour, how contouring has to be very perfect the way you know. So I use small brushes because I don't want to have that big line on my nose. I want to have a thin line. Okay, so I use a thin brush. Next, you're just going in with our setting powder, and I'm going to set my nose, and then later on, like baking, yeah, okay, but it's a setting powder. I'm going to set my face, my under eye, to reduce on the crease, and I'm using a fluffy brush. Time to apply our eyelash, and I'm using a tweezer to apply them because I find them comfortable to apply. Okay, and later in I just, yeah, that's what I do with it. I feel like they're so easy to use tweezers than your hands, because your hands block your eye and they block your hair, your eyeliner line, yeah. So then I decided later I'm going to go with my other eye because it was giving me headache. But later on, I always try to levelize it using my tweezers. Okay.
final look. Yes, this is what I'm going in with. And if you laugh, I'm going to block you. Guys, tell me why I had to waste my money and buy this wig. But I'm going to do a wig review on another episode, you know. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video till the end. If there's anything you want to learn, just comment below. I will teach you if I know. Okay, so this is the end of the video, of my makeup video. I'm going to do a wig review after this video. Just go and watch it. Anyway guys, till next time, I love you all. Subscribe to my channel if you like the makeup videos that I do, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Yeah, all the Boss Babe. On TikTok is Boss Babe, Boss_Babe_D, and on Instagram is Boss Babe_D_. Okay, so just go and follow me and we'll catch up there. Let me just go and do the review.